Hey guys, it's your girl Kateria Knows, back with another video. Thanks so much for joining me. Yes, Saturn is direct and we are here for it. We are celebrating this energy and there's so many reasons to rejoice with this. Saturn has been retrograde since the 29th of April. It is now direct. And in today's video, I'm going to be discussing 7 major themes of Saturn going direct, okay? But nevertheless, before I jump into all of that, for those of you who are new to my channel, I definitely want to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel if you want to be astrologically updated and if you are looking for some divine wisdom on your journey of enlightenment, consciousness, and just moving further into the age of Aquarius. This is the place where you want to be. And for those of you watching, if you find this video to be at any use to you or helpful at all, I will encourage you guys to like it, to share it, and also to comment. Let me know what you guys want to hear, or even if I leave out certain themes when it comes to Saturn being direct, you guys let me know. We're here to help each other. So nevertheless, let's get right into it with my very first theme of Saturn being direct. It's all about structures. It's all about developing healthy structures in your life, okay? And it's so important to follow a certain structure in your life if you are reaching a certain level of success. Because Saturn in Capricorn, and Saturn is in the sign of Capricorn, Saturn and Capricorn both rule structures and rule success. So it's important to have those healthy structures put in place so you can reach that certain level of success that you are desiring in your life. Since Saturn has been retrograde, it's been definitely difficult implementing certain structures and really sticking to them. Now that it is direct, we are going to be able to stick to those structures that we place for ourselves. So this is something really, really to rejoice and to be excited about, because you don't know all the beautiful divine things that are going to come because you put these good, healthy structures in place in your life. Now, for my next tip, when it comes to Saturn being direct, we can now understand the lessons that Saturn retrograde has been aiming to teach us, okay? So for the past few months, Saturn has been retrograde and we were to be reflecting upon different things, why we dealt with certain matters in our life, certain lessons in our life. And now with Saturn moving in its direct motion, we can understand these lessons a lot better and we can move forward with more divine wisdom because we underwent and we faced these different lessons. Now, it's really important for you to know the house that you have Capricorn in so you can really see the area of life that Saturn was aiming to bring these lessons to you. Also, very important, if you have planets that are square, conjunct to, and even trine to the sign Capricorn or to Saturn, these planets were teaching you major lessons in your life as well. So nevertheless, we get a chance to understand our lessons when it comes to Saturn being in this direct motion. So my third tip is the fact that Saturn is now direct, we get a chance to climb over obstacles. We get a chance to be diligent and to be progressive and to move forward with climbing over different obstacles that we may have been facing while Saturn has been in its retrograde phase. So this is really important. Like I stated, it's going to depend on the houses. It's going to depend on its interactions with other planets. So you can see where you may have been dealing with setbacks, blockages, and obstacles so you can know that these particular areas you are climbing over obstacles in your life. Okay, so for my fourth tip is that this is not the best thing, or my fourth theme, I should say. This is not the best theme, okay? But I just have to be open and honest. Saturn deals with karma, okay? It's one of our biggest planets that passes out karma, okay? So if you have been doing some shady things and some just unprofessional things or any negative things in your life over the past few months, Saturn going direct is now going to whoop your behind, okay? I just have to be honest, because Saturn direct means that Saturn gets to function in its normal way, and Saturn is the disciplinarian. So, you know, Saturn direct is going to be passing out those karmic lessons. And yeah, so you got to know what side of your quantum reality that you are on to, you know, reap the higher rewards of this planetary motion, okay? Now, when it comes to my fifth tip, when it with the direct motion of Saturn, this is going to help us when it comes to getting hard work done. We're going to be able to stick to the task and carry it through. We don't mind putting in that time that is going to take to get the work done. And Saturn direct just really helps us with that, because sometimes we don't want to put in too much hard work. We're like, I don't feel like it, you know, especially with Saturn retrograde. You don't feel like putting in that hard work, you know, but Saturn going direct, we don't mind putting in the hard work, and we're going to do it, and we're going to reap the rewards from that. Now, for my sixth tip, or my sixth theme with Saturn being direct, this is an opportunity where we are going to see business growth. Yes, business is going to grow. It's going to be more progressive. It's going to be more constructive, and it's just going to be better overall. And, you know, my cat is making so much noise and running around and acting crazy. He is so active. Virgo season. So, nevertheless, when it comes to Saturn, Amazon box. When it comes to Saturn in Capricorn, they both rule business. So during Saturn direct, we get a chance to see our businesses grow. We get a chance to, you know, put forth more effort in certain directions and area of our business and reap the rewards of that. But, you know, Saturn does rule time. So it's all going to be about us having constructive time and handling our time in a particular fashion, especially when it comes to our business, you know. So when it comes to the seventh theme of Saturn being direct, this is going to be a time where we are feeling successful. We are feeling good. We are feeling successful. We are feeling, you know, all of the work that we have been putting forward for the years. You know, we're feeling that energy of success overall, you know, and we could even see certain things like, wow, you know what? I put this action into this. You see him running back there. He is so crazy. But I put work into this, and for the past years or what have you, and now I'm really feeling successful, you know. And yeah, it's a really good thing. It's something to rejoice in. Now, when it comes to, if you have Saturn like in a conjunction to the moon, this is going to bring you family success, or if you're trying to get a home, this is going to bring success to that. If you have Saturn conjunct Venus, this is going to improve your relationships. You may come into a more serious relationship, and it's going to be progressive, constructive, and it is going to grow, okay? If you are a Capricorn yourself, you're going to feel that your creative work is getting some type of recognition. You may be climbing a certain type of a social ladder or what have you. My cat just knocked down my vision board. Anyhow, I'll deal with that later. So before I give my bonus tip on, or bonus theme, I should say, I keep saying tip. This is not a tip video, okay? This is a theme video. But before I give my bonus theme, I do want to, you know, just tell you guys that if you are looking to see how this Saturn direct is going to really personally affect you, get in contact with your girl. Check my description box, you know, check out my website, send me a message, and we can see how this particular energy and motion is going to affect you moving forward, and how you could reap the best rewards and results from this. And that's what I do as an astrologer. I show you your quantum realities, and I show you how to get the best out of them and how to ride with the higher energy of your quantum realities. So nevertheless, to my bonus tip, it definitely aligns with the seventh tip or theme. Here I go again. Anyway, It's about manifestation because Saturn is the manifester, okay? It turns things into tangible means. So all that hard work you've been putting forward, now you get the tangible results of that, okay? And that's something to really be excited about. Know that your hard work has not gone in vain, and now you're going to be manifesting the things in the tangible world and reality of that hard work. So clap it up for Saturn going direct. It's something to really be happy and rejoice about. It's your girl Kateria Knows. I'm checking out. Peace, love, and divine light to you guys. See you next time. Peace.